SMS text marketing for affiliate marketers. Would you like to learn how to have massive success with text messaging? Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of Northern New York. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use SMS text marketing messaging to grow your affiliate marketing business. So stay with me. In fact, in just a minute, I will take you online and let you look over my shoulder as I post an SMS text message marketing my #1 recommended affiliate marketing income stream. But first, just what is SMS text message marketing? Well, in its simplest sense, it's just sending a text message to generate leads or follow up with prospects. You'll see both terms, text and SMS used. They're really the same thing. SMS just stands for short message service. SMS is the modern day version of email marketing, and it can be far more effective. See, text messages are read almost immediately from wherever anyone happens to be. And you don't have the ongoing challenge of trying to get an email delivered into the inbox rather than the promotions tab or worse yet, the spam folder in email programs. Even for old school guys like me, SMS text marketing messages make sense. It's powerful and it's affordable. Most systems will send your message for only a couple cents each. And you really don't need much to get going with it. You need a list of names and phone numbers. I generate a high volume of leads. Every day I average 35 to 40 new leads, so I'm set there. And I'm not going to suggest where to buy leads in this video. We'll talk about that in an upcoming one. And when it comes to generating your own leads, I do not recommend wasting money on bogus solo ads for traffic, and I sure don't suggest wasting time with silly traffic exchanges either. Whatever your lead generation strategy, however many leads you have on hand now, going forward, be sure to save any and all leads. They are like gold. Next, you need the actual text message to send. When we get on the computer in a second, I will go over the elements I've found make the most successful SMS text marketing message. And then lastly, you'll need a program to send the messages out. There are many out there, and I've been testing a couple of them. I will show you the one I like best and how to use it. And a couple of guidelines to be aware of. I'm not sure what the maximum number of texts per day to send is. Some things I've read suggest it's only around 1,000, others say more. I do know the system I'm going to show you in a minute throttles down the send rate to 14 texts per minute. This is all just to maximize results. And before we jump over to the computer, if you are looking for an opportunity, I encourage you to check out what I do. It's unique, it's simple, and it pays out 80% commissions with recurring income too. 80%. You can learn more by clicking the link below. Okay, let's head over to the computer. Well, first, let's start with the elements I've found make a powerful SMS text marketing message. And here's the message I'm sending today. Let's go over it piece by piece. And I don't claim to have all the answers. I'm just sharing what has worked best for me. Up at the top here, you see I start with the character count, and I keep track of that. The way it typically works is when you run an SMS message, they charge you for a basic message of 160 characters. Well, I find it's pretty tough to make a good message with a link in it in 160 characters. So I'm trying to keep it under 320. That under 320 would get me charged for 2 messages, plus any more than that, it's just too long. But let's go over the message and let me show you what I'm doing and what I found works and the thinking behind it. First, I'm trying to personalize it. So it says, hey, hashtag name. The hashtag name is the merge code. So it'll put the prospect's first name in each text message. So it'll say, hey, Bob, hey, Susie, it's Joe Barclay. So again, I'm trying to personalize it. I'm trying to separate myself from the spammers. And then I add a little goodwill. I say, hope all is well. And then to jog their memory, I say, you were at my website in April. Today's May 4th, 2022. If it were several months ago that they were at my website, I would say something like, you were at my website a while ago. So I'm trying to jog their memory. And then I add the little thing, are you still looking? And then I get into the offer and the link. And the offer is this: check out this new digital biz, pays 80% residual commission. Well, if you are in affiliate marketing or if you've been looking at affiliate marketing, 80% residual commission is huge. That's powerful. People are going to want to see it. So I've got my link next, joebarkley.com/new. And then I add my takeaway. And the takeaway is this sentence, and it's key. It says, I'm pretty busy, but if you like what you see, I will help you. And I've used other lines for takeaways in emails and texts. You probably see things like, this might not be for you. I'm not sure this is a good fit. It kind of takes the pressure off. So again, I'm pretty busy, but if you like what you see, I will help you. And the other thing it does is it answers the question, hey, if I do this, how am I going to get some help? So again, I'm pretty busy, but if you like what you see, I will help you. And then I close it out again with some goodwill. Thanks, all the best. Make sure that you're using a link that you can track the results. That link I'm running, joebarkley.com/new, that link is specifically for my text message marketing campaign. So that's the message. Again, I don't claim to have all the answers, but that one seems to be working well for me. Let's jump over and get into the program now, and I'll show you how I send the message. First, you need to have the list you're going to text saved in a spreadsheet. The only fields in that spreadsheet need to be name and phone, and the columns need to be labeled as such. I've been adding my own name and phone to the list just to see how things work. Then you need to save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. I have it saved on my desktop. So now I'm logged into one of the programs I'm testing. This is SlideText. So far, I like it best. And no, this is not an affiliate offering. Surprisingly, they don't seem to have an affiliate program. Notice the messages here on the left side. Most of these are stops. These are people who do not want to receive another text, kind of like unsubscribes and autoresponder email marketing. Be sure to respect that. Do not text them again. Also, this is where you'll get people that reply back. For example, Veronica here yesterday. Veronica texted back, says, Joe, I don't recognize your name. What do you do? We've actually texted back and forth a couple of times. So to get going, I need to create a group to mail to today. So you click up here on groups, create a group, and I'm going to call the group, let's call it April A, because I'm mailing to part of my leads for April. And I got to refer to my notes here because I'm fairly new with this. Next, I need to import the CSV file. So you go down here, choose File. And again, I've got it saved on my desktop as April A group. So now I'm importing that file. And it says I've successfully imported 500 members. Please save your changes. And of course, the save is right behind my picture. Okay, so now I'm going to mail to it. So I go to conversation, and I'm going to copy and paste that very text that we were looking at a while ago. And there's the text we went over a while ago. Just give it a good looking over. I check things over and I click send. Sends the button right here. Bam, it's on its way to 500 people. That's it. It's that simple. And sometimes the results are so fast it's almost scary. I've gotten results in just minutes. I hope this video helps you in SMS text marketing. I'm real excited about it. Like I say, I'm a little old school, but I think it's pretty cool. And if you would like me to mentor you to success in a simple, lucrative affiliate marketing biz that pays out 80% recurrent commission, just click the link below. I will share everything I do to get on the leaderboard each week. I will mentor you personally, and I will be here to help you every step of the way. And as always, you can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarkley.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barkley. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.